Hi guys, how you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. All right guys, so in today's video you already know what you're about to watch by the title. So I'm going to be giving you guys a recipe on how to make boobs enlargement oil. But what I'm going to be showing you guys today, I want to give you guys two methods of making boobs enlargement oil, and one of them I'm going to be formulating it, and the second one I'll be giving you guys the details, the product that you need. So get your pen and paper and jot down. So before we proceed, I want you guys to subscribe. If you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below, and as well don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I will be uploading a new video. So first, I'll be giving you guys the first recipe on how to make boobs enlargement oil. This particular one that I'm about to give you guys is just basically for people who need a very quick result. If you want a very quick result and you want to really enlarge your boobs, this particular one is for you. This one work really fast. This particular recipe that I'm about to give you guys will not only enlarge your breast, but definitely it's going to tighten it up. It's going to prevent your breast from sagging. So as well, the second one, but why I am giving you guys two different recipes is because this one works faster, and this one, if I want to use any boobs enlargement oil, I prefer the second one because I don't want it just to pop up like so fast. So I want something that will work gradually, because I don't really have a small boobs like that. But if you have a small boobs and you want this to work for you real fast, then you can go with this one. So without further ado, let me show you guys, or rather tell you guys, the recipe you'll be needing to make this first one. So get your pen and your book and start jotting. So the first oil that we'll be needing is olive oil. Olive oil is very good, very good. You can Google it. Olive oil is very good for boobs enlargement. So we're needing 5 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to show you guys the kind of olive oil that you can use the one from Napa or the one from Goya. You can use Goya. And the second ingredient that you'll be needing to make this boobs enlargement oil is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good. Okay, olive oil 5 tablespoons, jojoba oil 3 tablespoons. Then another oil that you can add to your boobs enlargement oil is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good. Excuse me guys. Coconut oil is very good for boobs enlargement oil, but if you don't want to add this is optional. You don't really need to add this. If you wish to add this, you can add it to it, but coconut oil is good. It's good for boobs enlargement oil, but it's optional guys. And another oil that we'll be needing is clove oil. This is going to help your boobs. It's going to enlarge your boobs, and as well it's going to prevent your breast from sagging. Okay, so that is why I am adding this clove oil. It's very good. So we'll be needing 3 tablespoons of clove oil. Then we'll be needing primrose oil 3 tablespoons. So all this oil that I'm giving you guys, you can just Google it on your phone and see how they work So basically they are very good for boobs enlargement oil. I'm not gonna lie about that. I have made this for somebody and she will testify to it. So another oil that I'll be needing is emu oil 2 tablespoons, which is very emu or emu oil. I don't know what people call it, but if you are confused about the name I'm mentioning here, you can easily go to any organic store. You can just go online and Google them, or you can find where they normally sell organic stuff and ask. Definitely you will find all this oil in one place, so it's not really like a difficult oil to find. Then we'll be needing lavender oil 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Then we'll be needing vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very important in this product. Please guys, try to get it. Vitamin E oil is very important. So we're needing 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, which is half tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Then we'll be needing fenugreek powder. So fenugreek powder is very good. I guess you guys have, if you have been watching a video like this, you know that a lot of people normally add in fenugreek powder to anything boobs enlargement or butt enlargement. Fenugreek powder is very good in terms of that product. So you just add it in. And please, if you know that you don't have patience, because this particular recipe, you are going to leave it for about 7 days before you start using it, because of the fenugreek powder. So if you know that you don't have that patience, please try to double boil your fenugreek powder in about 10 minutes. Then you take it down and mix it with coconut oil, then double boil it. After that, you can just sieve it and add in the oil to the rest of your oil and mix together. Make sure you stir this together very, very well. Why I said I prefer you fermenting it, because if you ferment your fenugreek powder to all this oil that I just mentioned, it's going to work faster than double boiling, because once you double boil, you are still going to sieve it out, because the fenugreek powder has not really dissolved in your oils. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It has not really dissolved in the fenugreek powder has not really dissolved in your oil. So that is the reason why you should always try to, anything powder, if you are adding it to your oil or oils, I don't know what to say, make sure you try your best to let it ferment for a while, at least 3 days before you start using. So if you don't have that patience, please double boil before you add in to your products. Sometimes when I make something like this, even if I double boil it, I still leave it on. I still leave the powder in my products. I don't like to remove it until I finish it. So it all depends on you guys. If you want to leave it like that, so that's fine. If you want it to be much more than this, you can increase your ingredients. Yeah, you can increase your measurements. So now that we are done with the first recipe, let me show you guys how to make the second one, which is alright guys. So this is all we'll be needing to make this boobs enlargement oil. So we'll be needing vitamin E oil. So this is the capsule, this particular one, or you can make use of the raw one. I have the raw one at home. Then you can make use of this one. Then we'll be making use of coconut oil, which is also good for boobs enlargement oil. Then we'll be needing extra virgin olive oil. So this is how it looks like. This is the one I was talking about, this Napa Valley extra virgin olive oil. This one is also good. If you can't get the Goya, which is this one, this is another one, so it's not really that expensive. I think I got this one for about 1.4, 1.5 around my area here. So you can get this one. And here is my fenugreek powder. So what we're going to do, I'm going to add in just half a tablespoon of my fenugreek powder. Okay, this is my half tablespoon of fenugreek powder. I add that. Then I'll be adding in, I'll be making use of this Goya. Don't know the one I should use anymore, but what are really nice though. You can just make use of anyone you wish to add. Then I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of this. Alright, then 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil. Alright, then I'll be adding in my vitamin E oil. So I'll be adding in just 3 capsules of this. This particular one is really cheap. If you can get this one, you're good to go. So I'll be adding in 3 capsules. Oh, and then I'll be pouring it in here. So I already have this empty one at home. This is my empty vitamin E Fisher anti-aging oil. So I'll be stirring. So I'm just making a very small quantity just to show you guys how to make this. That's why you're seeing it small like this. So I'm not going to double boil it. I'm not going to sieve it. I'm just going to pour it in my bottle like this. Alright guys, so you already have your boobs enlargement oil, simple and very effective. You can just try out this remedy and let me know if it worked for you. But I am promising you guys that it's going to work for you. After 1 week, you are going to be seeing a very visible result. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, please. I'm begging you guys, give this video a thumbs up, and as well don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and as well don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. Thank you guys for watching. If there's anything you want me to know guys, or any video you want me to put out for you guys, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to look up to that, and I'm going to give you guys a feedback. All right guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.